Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Tile Refinishing Kit is probably one of the most transformative DIY projects you can undertake, breathing new life into your kitchen, bathroom, or any tiled area with ease and affordability. This video will walk you through everything you need to know before, during, and after the process, from choosing the right kit to achieving a professional-looking finish, ensuring your tile surfaces look their absolute best without breaking the bank or requiring extensive professional help. Number 5. Rust-Oleum Tub Refinishing Kit. Transform your old, worn-out tub and tiles with this easy-to-use kit. It's a complete solution for a durable and beautiful finish. This powerful formula is designed to withstand moisture and resist corrosion, ensuring long-lasting results. It's tough enough for everyday use. Prepare and paint your surface in a single day. Simply mix the two parts, apply, and let it dry for a stunning transformation. For best results, mix parts A and B separately before combining them for 2 minutes. Remember to use it within 6 hours of mixing. One kit covers up to 110 square feet. 2 coats are recommended, and you'll need to wait 1 to 2 hours between coats and 3 days before using water. Always make sure to ventilate the area properly. Thoroughly prepare the surface and read the instructions before you start. It's self-leveling to minimize brush marks, giving you a smooth, professional-looking finish. Enjoy your renewed tub and tiles. What we like. This kit boasts a robust, 2-part epoxy formula that's resistant to moisture and corrosion. It covers a large area, perfect for larger projects. If you need a durable, quick-drying solution for a big refinishing job, this is the one for you. What people say. The finish is beautiful. With 2 weeks having passed since I used the kit, the result looks great and I highly recommend it. If you let the product sit for a few minutes, it goes on a bit better. First coat on just the tub, you could see brush lines and roller lines, but after the third coat, it covered all that and looked very smooth. Number 4. Ekopel Pour-On Refinishing Kit. It provides a brilliant gloss finish that revitalizes your bathtub, giving it a new look. This ensures a durable, long-lasting surface for a pristine appearance. Enjoy a safe and healthy refurbishment. It's odorless and non-toxic, perfect for indoor use without compromising safety. This offers unmatched durability, built to withstand daily use and maintain its shine for years. It's the most durable solution for a long-lasting finish. Rejuvenate your bath easily with a simple pour-on, single-coat application. You can effortlessly refresh your space without professional help. Made in the USA, it reflects superior quality and craftsmanship, ensuring reliable performance. It's a reliable addition to your home improvement tools. What we like. It's odorless and non-toxic, making it safe for indoor use. The easy, one-coat application saves you time and effort. If you value ease of use and a safe, long-lasting result, this kit is ideal. What people say. While I purchased a tub kit, I used it to refinish a 20-plus-year-old kitchen sink, and it worked great. Great finish and look. Relatively easy to do. No bad smell to the end process. It has the consistency of liquidy marshmallow. It looks like you will not have enough. Do not fear, you will have plenty for a standard-sized tub. The result is pretty impressive. I watched the company videos on how to glaze your bathtub with this product. I did exactly as suggested, then wiped the bathtub one more time to be sure there was no dust. I think it looks great. Number 3. NADAMOO Tub and Tile Kit. Transform your bathroom or kitchen with ease. This complete kit has everything you need for a professional-looking finish. It includes 2-part compound, hardener, gloves, brush, roller, and all the masking supplies you'll need. We've thought of everything to make your project stress-free. Simply mix the 2 parts, apply with a brush or roller, and let it dry. It's that simple. It creates a semi-gloss, durable finish that's beautiful and long-lasting. Wait 7 days for maximum hardness before using with hot water. It works on porcelain, ceramic, fiberglass, stone, and plastic. Perfect for tubs, tiles, sinks, and more. It's ideal for renters and homeowners alike. This water-based formula has a low odor and provides excellent coverage. One kit covers approximately 50 square feet for 2 coats. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need, including tools and supplies. The water-based formula minimizes odor. If you prefer a convenient, all-inclusive kit with a low-odor application, this is your best bet. What people say. This truly is the best tile paint you will find for your bath or shower. When I ordered and applied NADAMOO's tile paint, it was very easy to mix and apply, was odorless, and left a nice thick, clean finish. What a difference. Not only just in smell, this paint is barely noticeable in smell and less smelly than typical wall acrylic paint, but this paint is so much easier to apply than Rust-Oleum. Packaged supplied everything you need. This coverage took 3 light coats. I used the brush for grout likes the first coat then rolled. I am very happy with the results. It looks and feels like it will once fully cured. Number 2. Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile Paint Kit. Give your tub and tiles a fresh, new look with our easy-to-use paint kit. It's perfect for touching up chips and scratches, restoring your surfaces to their former glory. This paint delivers a beautiful, high-gloss finish that's both durable and long-lasting. It adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. It dries quickly, minimizing disruption to your daily routine. You'll be enjoying your renewed surfaces in no time. This isn't just a quick fix, it's a lasting solution. Enjoy its beauty and durability for years to come. It works wonders on porcelain, ceramic, fiberglass, acrylic, cast iron, and steel. It's versatile enough for all your needs. The kit is designed for simple application, making it a breeze to use, even for beginners. Get professional-looking results with ease. Please note that part of the kit comes partially filled, as designed. This is normal and does not affect the product's performance. What we like. It's perfect for small touch-ups and repairs. It dries quickly and provides a high-gloss finish. If you only need to fix minor chips or scratches, this is a great option. What people say. So I ordered the small repair kit and you can hardly tell where it was repaired. Only I would notice it. Worked perfectly. It filled the chip, and was much cheaper than having the whole tub reglazed, plus we were able to do it quicker than getting a company into the property to do the work. Number 1. Rust-Oleum 7860519 Refinishing Kit. Is your tub or tile looking old and worn? This amazing kit will make it look brand new in just a few hours. It's easy to use and provides a durable, long-lasting finish. It combines the strength of acrylic with the toughness of epoxy. This means it's highly resistant to scratches and everyday wear and tear, ensuring a long-lasting finish. Apply it easily with a brush, roller, or sprayer. The self-leveling formula minimizes brush marks for a smooth, professional-looking result. It gives you the luxurious look and feel of porcelain. Enjoy a beautiful, washable finish that won't yellow over time. This refinishing kit is incredibly durable and resistant to abrasion. It will protect your tub, tile, or sink for years to come. Say goodbye to chipped and faded surfaces. This kit provides a stunning, renewed look to your bathroom fixtures, saving you time and money. What we like. This kit combines the durability of acrylic and epoxy for superior protection. It can be applied with a brush, roller, or sprayer. If you want a durable, porcelain-like finish with flexible application, this is the choice for you. What people say. As with any painting project, the prep is key. If you're considering buying this, then I strongly suggest you peruse the reviews. Many folks have left exhausting detail of prep steps and tips. End result? Looks like a brand new shower unit. I didn't skip any of the steps, although I sanded using just regular 120 grit paper, and used a palm sander which made it really fast. I went through a pack of 6 regular dense foam rollers, nothing fancy or expensive, and changed the roller when it started getting limp. This job took 3 light coats. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.